You spend hundreds of dollars and hours in a stylist chair to emerge with a flawless, shiny set of premium box braids. We put them under a microscope and found a hidden army of lead and formaldehyde sitting right against your skin. We eagerly pay top dollar for premium hair, assuming a higher price tag guarantees a sterile, biologically safe product. This laboratory report reveals a much darker reality. Independent testing proves these bundles are heavily coated in heavy metals and volatile chemicals. We are looking at positive detections for lead, a neurotoxin, alongside formaldehyde and hormone-disrupting phthalates. Buying the highest-tier aesthetic extensions on the market introduces a hidden, direct chemical hazard straight to your body. The reaction usually begins about 3 days after an expensive installation, a severe, crawling itch across your scalp that you can't scratch away. Your daily routine activates the threat. Every time you hit the gym to work out or use a blow dryer, the heat physically melts those dormant factory residues directly off the synthetic fibers. This synthetic heat transfer triggers a localized chemical exposure against the dermal layer. Look at this cross-section. The dermal layer is packed with open follicles, acting like a biological sponge. Installing protective styles traps sweat and dead skin. Melted heavy metals pool in that microclimate, seeping downward directly into the open pores. The supply never runs out. The physical friction of braids rubbing together grinds the coated fibers down, releasing toxic dust continuously for weeks. Your cumulative chemical exposure is tied straight to the calendar. 6 weeks with the style installed means 6 uninterrupted weeks of absorbing those residues. A hairstyle designed to protect your natural growth actually functions as a highly efficient, ongoing biological delivery system for industrial waste. We can easily visualize this invisible payload with a controlled at-home extraction test. We took a set of supposedly clean, brand-new premium extension bundles and completely submerged them in standard tap water for 24 hours. Watch the time-lapse of this jar. The clear water rapidly turns a murky, sickly gray. This cloudiness is the toxic factory biofilm stripping off. Standard hygiene routines are entirely ill-equipped to handle this. Traditional shampoos lift natural oils, but glide right over industrial-grade chemical accumulation without breaking it down. Standard surfactant shampoos glide over the hair surface, leaving the industrial-grade biofilm layer locked against the skin. The sensation of a dirty scalp often persists immediately after a wash. Because this biofilm creates a physical barrier to standard cleaning, 60% of women who skip deep professional maintenance suffer from severe follicle congestion. Leaving those pores choked off for months leads to permanent structural damage. Chronic congestion triggers severe inflammation, resulting in irreversible conditions like central centrifugal cicatricial alopecia and traction alopecia. You cannot cultivate robust, natural hair growth when the root system is suffocating inside a toxic foundation. Traditional clarifying shampoos lack the chemical strength to penetrate those industrial bonds. Meanwhile, harsh DIY acid rinses physically degrade the installation, loosening your complex style entirely. The ToxiTress ritual bypasses harsh acids by using a blend of activated charcoal and bentonite clay, functioning exactly like a targeted heavy metal magnet. Looking back inside the follicle, we can see the chemical reaction at work. The positively charged toxins are magnetically drawn upward, physically lifted out of the dermal layer without applying the friction that would disturb your braids. Once those pores are cleared, the scalp environment quickly stabilizes. The inflammation subsides, and the maddening itch stops completely. Head to ToxiTress.info to secure a detox kit and protect your systemic health before scheduling your next salon visit. Guarding your biological health is a non-negotiable prerequisite for aesthetic styling. To see exactly how to remove 4 weeks of buildup for just 75 cents, click the next video right here.